Hi there, it's James from UserLoop. We're going to take a look at Shopify Tags in UserLoop today and how you can automatically add tags to customers in Shopify when they respond to your survey with what question they were asked and what they were answered. So that's really handy for doing things like building segments and when you're looking at the customer profile to see how they've answered to your survey without having to open the UserLoop app. So to set this up, all we've got to do is head into UserLoop and go into our surveys and pick which survey we want to work with. So today I'm going to do our post-purchase checkout survey. And then if we head to the settings tab, you'll see down here we've got this option for Shopify Tags. So now if I turn this on, whenever a customer places an order in future, UserLoop will automatically tag that customer with whatever they've answered. You can also press this button here to go and add tags to all of your previous responses. So if you want to do it retrospectively, you can just hit that button and UserLoop will go and add tags for all of your previous survey responses. When you first use this feature, you might have to approve some additional permissions with Shopify. So you'll see a message here that will just ask you to go through and approve those conditions. So let's take a look now at what these tags look like in Shopify. So if I head over into the Shopify store, demo store we've got here, I'm just on a demo customer, and as you can see, we can see in the tags all of the survey questions they've answered and what they actually answered with. So you can see we've got here, how did you hear about us? TikTok. So we know that they responded to that in the survey. And if we want to, we can actually go and build up segments to find all customers who answered in a specific way right inside Shopify. So if I head over to the main customers screen here, and then I'm just going to say, let's add a filter. And we're going to filter based on customer tags. And we're going to say customer tags contains, and we wanted to look for how did you hear about us. So if I just start typing the question I'm looking for, you can see here I've got all of the different potential answer options. So I'm going to say TikTok. I want to look for all customers who heard about us from TikTok. And then I'm just going to apply that filter. And then you'll see you've got a view here that's got all of your customers who responded to your survey with that option. So that's really handy that if you then want to use, create a discount or send an email campaign or apply some bulk action to those customers, you can do all of that from right within Shopify. You can also save that segment if you want to. So if you want to be able to quickly go back and find them, so let's save this one as TikTok customers. Then I can very quickly get back in and find this segment whenever I want to, and it will show me all the customers who've responded to my survey with TikTok, and it will keep up to date as new customers respond in the future. So that's just a quick preview of that and what you can do with it. It's a pretty powerful feature and lets you do a lot more segmentation in Shopify. If you're using another tool like Klaviyo, we also have an integration for that will do the same thing by applying these kind of tags in Klaviyo. So check out our video on that if you're more interested in that. But there we go. That's just a quick demo of how to use customer tags in UserLoop. Thank you.